Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing you a 1 cubic foot Patterson Kelley twin shell blender today. This unit is very unique as it's rated for 500 pounds per cubic foot maximum material density. Excellent for metal powders, any heavyweight materials you might be blending. Very uniquely, it has this nice little simple guard system. These you see right here actually slide in and out. Then of course the pins right here, you can store it on either side with this small little lockdown device that allows it to stay in place. And there's one on each side for both of these small guards, keep people away from the shell as it's moving. So you can see it's portable on wheels, painted steel frame, stainless steel shell. We're going to have the full details on our website under our blender's twin shell section. We have lots of equipment in our stock and process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.